How's it going, Glowforgers? I recently sold my Plus and upgraded to this Pro model that you see behind me here. I'll talk about the reasons why I made the switch in a subsequent video, but since I have a new machine, I figured I'd do a little unboxing video here. Now I assume you don't need me to spend 10 minutes showing you how to open a box, so I'm going to breeze through that part pretty quick with a little bit of stop motion magic. And then when we get to the setup, I'll slow it down a little bit. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, now that the Glowforge has unboxed itself, I'll walk through some of the setup process with you. We'll free up that wire ribbon, remove this orange clip, clip the wire ribbon into the laser head. Now the bottom of the laser head has 4 magnets which correspond to 4 magnets on the plate, so when you get it close, it'll just snap in. It's always good to move it back and forth, make sure it's moving properly. Next, we'll remove the 2 orange bolts on either side. Then we'll push the laser arm back and remove the 2 orange strips. Alright, accessory box, unbox thyself. Here we have the crumb tray, the exhaust hose, power cord, and some material. Now when you put your crumb tray in, make sure the top does not scrape the bottom of the laser head. I'll go ahead and close the machine up for now, and we'll attach our exhaust hose. Now I'll admit, I had kind of a heck of a time getting this hose to stay on there. There isn't much material for it to stay on, so I made this 3D printed plastic adapter part. If you want one, you can get it off Amazon. The link will be down below. Nothing you have to have, just makes my life easier. Alright, with your Glowforge powered on, let's head to the internet to get this set up. We'll go to setup.glowforge.com, go ahead and log in, spend time reading through all this fun stuff. Alright, this will bring you to a step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Glowforge. You can read through that if you'd like, but we already went through the steps, so I'll hit continue, continue again. Now the Glowforge is going to be broadcasting a temporary Wi-Fi access point, so we'll choose that from our list of Wi-Fi connections so we can connect their computer to it. Takes a minute to get connected. When it does, that green light will turn off. Then we can just reconnect our computer back to our Wi-Fi. Alright, well let's go ahead and head to the dashboard. Any recent projects you've done will be listed up top. I've cut before on my other Glowforge Plus, but when you log in for the first time, all you're going to see are these catalog designs here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and choose one and print one off. This one's a candle holder. Let's go ahead and throw some material in. I'm going to use some cherry plywood. And when you do, the camera on the lid is going to read the QR code, and it's going to populate the cut settings automatically. We'll go ahead and take our design and move it into place. Hit print, and then push the magic button. Well, here we are, our little candle holder. If you have not purchased your Glowforge Pro yet, go ahead and use the referral link in the description below. You'll save a great chunk off your order. Glowforge will also send me a credit for referring you, so it's kind of a win-win. If you have purchased your Glowforge already, I would recommend to keep all those orange bits and pieces, as well as the box and all the packaging material if you can. If you ever need to move, which I recently did, you'll be happy that you kept all the packaging material. I try to do one of these Glowforge related videos once a month to help you guys on your journey. I suppose that takes care of it for today's episode. Until next time, happy Glowforging.